What you doing, Alex?
Cleaning.
What you cleaning?
My gun.
You're not going to use that those little plastic things that you have where you could turn a gun upside down and whatnot?
I don't have any more.
How much are they?
$80.
Oof. Let that bitch sit in some acetone. Yeah. Alright. Car is fully painted. All the way around. All the way around. And now, it's time for clear. Right, Alex?
Yes,
Hello, Jay.
What's up?
Come to see the car?
Yep. Can you see the DA?
Oh, I washed the car and a bird shat on it already.
Dude.
Look at that.
First coat?
Go look at the valve cover over there. In the grass.
That's gorgeous.
This looks sick, right? Now imagine that with the MPC purple hardware and shit. Shit's gonna look banging, right? What? It's gonna look good with this purple hardware right here.
And, oh, you got the hardware,
Yep. And the ITR silver oil cap.
That's it.
Yeah, and the carbon fiber spark plug cover for that. It's gonna look hard. polish. This thing is gonna look beautiful. But it already looks beautiful. Yeah. Engine bay to match. Yard. Valve cover over there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, all these are fancy.
And this is the finished product of what the valve cover will look like with the MPC hardware and the cam seal and the VTEC solenoid. Not too much purple, but with the carbon fiber and then the Spoon Sports wires, the Type R oil cap. That's what it'll look like on his car. What do you guys think? Look at that. Hey, shut up, I'm filming here. Oh man, look at that. ¿Sí quema? No quema.
No quema.
No quema? No, it's sí quema, hell yeah. Hey, so what are you gonna do with this fan?
I'm leaving it here till Monday.
What? I ain't got no space for this
We
thing.
got all the space in the world.
Yeah, you can leave it outside.
Alright, I'll leave it there.
For real?
$500 fan.
Yeah, it's not
I
mine.
looked the part, but shit.
It's not mine.
I'll put it on my side of
Let me tell you something my dad said to my mom when I was born.
That he wanted to go buy a pack of cigarettes and never came back?
No, my dad's not a smoker. He said, not my problem. That's going to conclude it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to smack that like button. If you guys want some t-shirts, links are down in the description down below. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on your notifications. When this video is out, it should be out on Monday. So if you guys want to also get yourself some stuff from MPC like you saw today, use the description. Use the code in the description down below. I am having a stroke. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage. I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.